Hi, I'm Ola from Easy Living Furniture and this is the Dover bedroom range. In the Dover bedroom range we'll find a bed frame that's available in two sizes, a 5-foot and a 6-foot, as well as a chest of drawers, a locker and a dresser. This beautiful bedroom range is carefully carved from ash wood, featuring stunning moulding that we can see here on all of the Dover pieces. We also have an antique-inspired leg design and a touch of brass and marble on the handles of the Dover bedroom, giving it an elegant feel. The bed frame features quite a simple design with those elegant touches. And we can see it here in the moulding detail on the headboard and on the beautifully carved feet design. The slats on the Dover bed are solid slats, which make for a very sportive base for your mattress. This bedroom range offers us plenty of storage space with the 6-drawer dresser and the 5-drawer chest. Both pieces are accented by the stunning marble and gold handles. The drawers glide open with the aid of the built-in rollers. The locker featured in the Dover bedroom range is quite unusual. We have a small drawer design with an open base for additional storage or display. Give your bedroom a touch of elegance with the Dover bedroom range by adding to cart here or visiting one of our stores.